Whether it's 0 degrees or 30 degrees, the winter is especially hard for those who don't have a home. That's why the city of Kansas City is so focused on providing shelter and housing for the unhoused.
We've seen this urgent crisis. It's almost like it's a pandemic of its own, homelessness and housing issues here in Kansas City. And if we're going to do anything to serve the people that are most in need in this city, we've got to think creatively and we've got to take very aggressive and proactive action here.
One of those steps forward is the Lotus Care House. The city allocated $400,000 to transform the former Days Inn near Linwood and Van Brunt Boulevard into a navigation center. It provides single-room transitional housing with full supportive wraparound services.
We've had a number of folks who we provide interim housing here move on to stable housing who had been chronically homeless or were in a place where if they didn't have any interim housing, we might not have been able to find them and connect them with the housing that they were on the path towards.
This is just one of many solutions Kansas City is working on. Among the others, allocating $12.5 million to the city's Affordable Housing Trust Fund to encourage the creation of more affordable housing units, distributing about $16 million in emergency rental assistance funds to nearly 4,000 households, exploring converting nearly 3,000 vacant lots and homes owned by the city's land bank into affordable housing, and enacting an extreme weather plan that activates when the daytime high is below 32 degrees or the overnight low is less than 20 degrees.
And what happens when the plan goes into effect is we immediately open the Emergency Operations Center and begin a hotline system between the city and our service partner providers to make sure there are shelter beds available. We track the number of shelter beds available.
Another program is the Heart Cart. These storage carts let people safely secure their personal belongings. Deanna is currently unhoused and says these carts will make a big difference.
They're a great idea because it's safe. Our stuff is going to finally be safe to where we can leave our tents.
These programs are some of the many facets of a larger vision the city is working on to address homelessness and housing insecurity. And thanks to partnerships, the work is only just getting started.
The most important thing is working with the city, working with the community providers. All of us really working together is what's going to make the navigation successful and helping people get off the streets and into stable housing.
The goal is to end homelessness, and Kansas City will continue to be creative and aggressive with solutions to help the unhoused. For more information on this effort, please visit kcmo.gov/housing.